Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use order by clause with select command. But before doing this, make sure that you have installed MySQL in your computer system, and also make sure that you have created a table and inserted some record in that table. So let's do it. First of all, we have to open a MySQL. So let's open MySQL. Enter root as password. Then we have to use a database. So use db5. Fine. Now database is activated. Now we have to use a table, so show tables. This will display all the tables of this database. So we have only one table, employee, so we will use this table. So let's see all the records of this table, and then we will use order by clause with this table. So let's write select a star from employee. This query will retrieve all the rows and all the columns from this table. So here you can see we have 4 columns and 9 records in this table. So let's talk about order by clause. Guys, when we use order by clause, we can sort records in ascending or descending order. By default, MySQL displays record in ascending order, but you can change the order by using ASC or DESC. By specifying DESC, we can display record by specific field in descending order. Suppose in this table, if you want to retrieve all the records of employee by EMP salary field in descending order, then you have to write this command: select star from employee order by EMP salary DESC. See, first record 107, EMP salary 40,000. Second record EMP salary 34,000. Third record 34,000. Fourth record 33,000, 32,000, then 32,000, then 21,300, then 20,000, and the last one is 9,000. That means it has retrieved record from this table by EMP salary field in descending order. Now suppose you want to display all the records of this table by EMP DOJ in ascending order. Then if you want to do this, then you have to write this command: select star from employee order by EMP DOJ ASC. See, in the first record, the date of joining is 1 January 1998. In the second record, the date of joining is 2nd January 1998. In the third record, date of joining is 1 January 2000. In the fourth record, 1 January 2001. In the fifth record, 11th September 2001, and so on. That means it has retrieved records of this table by EMP date of joining in ascending order. So in this video we have learned how to sort records of any table in ascending or descending order by specific field. In the next video we will learn how to use string functions in MySQL. Guys, if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos and updates. You can also visit our website cstutorial.co.in for latest programming tutorials. Thank you friends.